Hi, I'm Anna Sule, and I'm an IMA senior, but today I am shadowing a biochem freshman.
Hi, I'm Anna Dill. I'm the biochem freshman. Anna's going to be following me around, so welcome to a day in my life. Hi, I'm Anna Dill. My POE is biochemistry with an emphasis on pre-med, and I'm from Evansburg, Pennsylvania.
Why did you decide on your POE?
Ever since I was in high school and that kind of thing, I took an anatomy and physiology course, and I just fell in love with it. It was my favorite thing. It was just kind of something I found passionate about. I thought it was super cool. I found myself excited to learn about it. So I figured why not do something that I'd be really excited to learn more about, and I enjoyed chemistry and biology, so I figured why not make it my POE.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's
Thank you
run
guys.
to class. Yesterday you were talking about equilibrium temperatures, and we were on this website on Moodle. First class of the day done. Where are we going next?
Off to calculus.
I thought you were a bio student.
Well, yeah, me too. But yeah, on Mondays they have Calc 1 labs. So basically, they go to a room down the hallway and they kind of go over problems and that kind of thing. Especially if they want to expand more on calculus and learning, that kind of thing. Thank you.
Does anyone remember your green class engagement sheet? Code Calc Project 2, I told you the thing you needed to think about over the weekend was partners.
So right now we're kind of just going over derivatives. And we have certain rules for each function. And we're trying to memorize them to use them on exams and that kind of thing. So we don't keep going back and looking at our notes. So we have warm-ups every day before class. And we're trying to do them by memory without looking back to see if we can memorize how to do the functions.
I'm feeling smarter already. What's next?
Off to biolab.
And what usually happens in this class?
So right now we have different sections or modules within the class. Right now we're kind of going over GMO products. So we're taking DNA from food samples. Last week, my group and I, we took one from a Pringle chip, and we're comparing it to DNA samples of field corn and sweet corn, and just seeing what kind of DNA primers there are. So that means we're going to test to see whether or not they have GMOs in them, if they're technically classified as a plant, which they all do, so that works. And yeah, just seeing whether or not they classify as GMO or not, and we use different tools to do that. So we have to make gels. And yeah, so basically if we're getting DNA samples, we'll just use these and try extract.
Put that there.
Yep.
And then you can add the 1.5 mics of cyber.
Add 1
That's it. You may just want to put another mil or two of TBE in there
Okay.
to bring it up slightly.
All right. Thank you. All right. Now we're gonna go over here.
Steady hands prevail.
As long as it just goes around the combs and everything on the edges. And then we have to wait 15 minutes for it to get cold. Yeah. And then we're gonna put this in here so then the wells line up with the notches. And then from here, they have a positive and negative. We're just gonna line it up with the positive and negatives over here. And we're gonna fill it up. Oops, didn't wanna do that. Hey, if you guys want, we can start doing the getting the micropipettes ready. You know what I mean? Yep.
I have a team run it backwards.
C, 6. That's 5, 4. Okay, that.
Well, Pringles have GMO, so
Yes, we're gonna know for sure. I'm pretty sure we can also tell by
and everything
what we get. Yeah. Except for water.
That's good.
Scenario A, incorrect assembly of movement buffer concentration is too high or too much buffer volume. Water and gel tank were insufficient buffer
Thanks so much for inviting me to come to your lab. It was so fun working with your lab partners.
Yeah, no problem. I'm really glad you came in and you got to see what it was like. We could always use like an extra set of hands, so that was
Yeah,
really
it was
nice.
great. That was super fun. Is that what your classes are usually like?
Yeah, typically that's what they look like. Sometimes they go a little bit over depending on how labs go, but yeah, it's usually what it's like. It's a lot of fun, very interesting. A lot to learn in a couple hours, but it's fun.
Thanks again for bringing me along to all your classes. And thanks to you guys for watching, and stay tuned to see which POE I try out next.